First, we operate the face and first select the probe of 4.5. Apply gel to face before operation. Apply the gel and adjust the energy. Energy with 1.3 start to adjust. Adjust to the customer has the feeling of acid swelling. The frequency is how fast the energy is coming out, and we can choose 7 or 8. Click open. There is also a start button on the handle. Directly, and it will automatically produce energy. And when you don't, you just let go. First apply the product evenly, gel. What you do is you pull the skin up. Use a little bit of force to lift all these saggy muscles and skin up. There are 2 ways. First, we promote upward. We'll start with an upward maneuver. Line by line, one side of the line gives off energy. Pull as you press and release energy. Reach the corner of the eye and repeat 3 to 5 times for each line. First, use the upward pulling technique, and after each line is completed, then we play the technique of lifting to the side. 2 lifting techniques. This way the effect is very good, very obvious. When operating to the corner of the eye, you need to lower the energy a little bit. Because this is the upper muscle, the muscle is thinner. And also around the eyes, where the skin is more fragile. So for energy, use 1.0 to 1.1. Slide your hand as you release energy. There are 2 ways to manipulate the face. I'm going to repeat. First the upward lift. Pull it up as it emits energy, and each line can go 3 to 5 times. Then, while operating and pulling, reach the ear area. Around the time when the upper muscles are still on the eyes, the energy needs to be lowered before work. When the 4.0 probe is finished operating the face, we need to change the 3.0 probe. When we change the probe, there's an arrow right here. Pull it up, and just pull it out. At this time, we need to replace the 3.0 probe. First operate 4.5 depths, then operate 3.0 depths. When we change the probe has an arrow and an arrow pointing at our handle. Push up hard enough to recognize itself with a little press. You can see the 3.0 probe on it. 3.0 probe is operated on the face. We can also use energy. 1.3 start adjustment. Adjust to the customer has the feeling of acid swelling. Frequency, can still use it 7 or 8. Put the product. The method is the same as the 4.5 operation method. First, lift upwards and pull the lines, repeating 3 to 5 times for each part. Pull it up, then pull it to the side. Repeat this 3 to 5 times for each area. By the time we get to our upper muscles and around our eyes, the energy needs to be reduced slightly, according to the customer's acceptance capacity to adjust the energy. This 3.0 probe, when we operate the neck. Again, put the product on first and apply the gel. When we operate the neck, there are 2 major areas that we should not operate. One is an Adam's apple, and the area where the Adam sample is located should be avoided. There is a fan behind the dome, where generally not operated. The middle of this lower part can be operated. Apply the product evenly, and when we operate, we lift it upward. First, you can pull out its neck length, pulling upwards while releasing energy. Pull upward as you release energy, and repeat 3 to 5 times for each part. That's how it works. 3.0 maneuver to operate neck. After the 3.0 operation of the neck and face, we need to operate the forehead. When working the forehead, apply the product first. To manipulate the forehead, you need to pull the customer's wrinkles back a little. Pull towards the hairline, lift to the hairline while operating. And lift while producing energy. That's the way it works. Repeat this 3 to 5 times for each area. If the wrinkles are deeper, it is possible to repeat them 1 or 2 more times. We finished the 3.0 probe operation, and it was time to replace the probe. Push down and he'll come out. Now we need our 1.5 probe to manipulate the forehead and eyes. When you change the probe, just stick it in, L to L. This is a 1.5 probe, and it automatically recognizes when you plug it in once. To manipulate the energy around the eye, we use 1.0 to adjust, and the speed can use 7. When you adjust your eyes, first pull from the inner eye frame to the outer eye frame. In the corner of the eye, pull while giving energy. If it is a fine line, the corner of the eye more fine lines. When working on the corner of the eye, you pull it up. Notice that the temple is in this position, which is usually not possible here. So what we're doing is we're trying to bring those fine lines up. Power comes out as you operate. 1.5 If the eyes are operated, the forehead needs to be operated. It's the same as 3.0, pull as you go, pull towards your hairline. Repeat 3 to 5 times for each area. If the wrinkles are deep, you can repeat 1 or 2 more times.